Chapter 9 Science. A region which is cloudy, windy is the low pressure with the northern hemisphere cyclone hurricane. Air pressure is the highest at the sea level. वो चैप्टर 8 था, ये चैप्टर 9 सॉइल. Soil is made up of pebbles, sand, silt, clay, humus, hydrogen. It contains good amount of humus. Xerophyte plants survive sandy soil. Paddy grows in well clay soil. Soil is conserved by growing crops and the shelter and beds. The space between soil particles are known as pore space. Allow water through the quickly. Sandy soil become very hard, dry and clayly. Contain good amounts of clayly. The highest has more clay particle. Clayly had more sand particles. Silt. Sandy has an equal amount of clay and sand. Loamy has less amount plant nutrition. Sandy has both plant and nutrient amounts. Loamy is very porous. Sandy is very dense. Clearly, diasporic sandy. It's the amount of the more sandy. It has more large rocks. Sea horizon. It is made up of clay. Sea pebble. A horizon. It is the topmost layer. A horizon hardly is the two root sea horizon. Sea horizon. It is rich in mineral. A horizon. It is the homosphere. A horizon below it is the surface. Road surface. B horizon. It is the amount of the A horizon. Good amount of. Chapter 10 Respiration in Organisms. Where does the gaseous exchange take place on Earth? From moist skin. Respiration release energy glucose, which is the type of the habitat animal through ये आपका aquatic. The type of aquatic which gases release the human being respire carbon dioxide which gas not require respiration oxygen. Where does the gas exchange air sex? What transport of the oxygen of the blood? Where does or respiration of carbon dioxide and water? The trachea is commonly called windpipe. In most vertebrate gases exchange through lungs. Fish respire through gills. Air in alveoli air during the exhalation in the lungs contract below the ribcage. There is a muscle called diaphragms. Chapter 11 Transport of subsistence plant and animals. The tiny of the branches of blood vessel vary within the capillary. The heartbeat, the running pulses, the red blood cell contain hemoglobins. The empowered blood transport, right ventricle, pulmonary artery transport of plenty of vascular system. The white rise of the xylem of the tube, the transpiratory pull, transpiration pull, unicellular organism have the ordinary person varies function, false transpiration is the evaporation stem plant falls, white blood cell, protect body against disease true, the lungs of the made up of the removed disease from the blood true, the pulmonary vein carry oxygen per blood, the false sweat contain waste material for true. Chapter 12 Reproduction in Plants. The male reproductive part is flower, stamen, and orange flower is not unisexual because it is both stamen and pistil. When polynomial grain, the sigma, and the another plant is the kind of the cross pollination and insected pollination, and probably have colorful petals. The union of the male gametes and female gametes, fertilization, alga reproduce, fragmentation. The egg develop inside the ovule. The reticle develop in the root system. Seed of the sacrament, spread, wind, bamboo, and the ginger are example of rhizobium. Tip of the style of the flower is called stigma. Male gametes of the pollen grains. Chapter 13 Time and Motion. An aircraft flying at a constant speed, uniform motion, hour and is an uniform motion. We measure the distance of kilometer and speed of kilometer per hour. If an object is traveling uniform speed, the distance traveling about divided by time taken distance time of the time straight line object is non-uniform at 24 hours 8 p.m. Chapter 14 Electric current and its effect. A device is used to break down circuit switch when electric current passes through the material. High resistance heat is generated. Tungsten metal high resistance LED consume less electricity. An electric cell is based on the principal magnetic effect of electric current. A switch every watt of electric current falls. Cells can be connected only in series falls. Copper wires does not have any resistance falls. An electric wire is electromagnet true. A circuit LED connected true. Electromagnetism strong magnet wire true. Electromagnet are temporary magnet true. Chapter 15 Light. The surface of light repeat dull with a reflect light. The image formed a plane mirror, virtual and inverse. The image formed the convex mirror. The skin is formed by bright light and convex light. Convex light. A concave mirror is used by dentists because it can magnify an image. Image formed concave lens. Virtual. A plane mirror used to regular reflection. True. A plane mirror used to compound microscope. False. A concave mirror, spherical mirror. True. A image from the appears far away. False. A magnifying lens is actually concave lens. False. Water is a precious source. Chapter 16. Water can be safely used. Human consumption. Potable water. There is a water shortage because depletion of water table. The main is the fresh water. Rain is check dam is the repulsion of groundwater. Inadequate rainfall result drought. Water is non-renewable resource. False. Ocean is the contains salt and water. True. Inadequate no rainfall is a few flood. False. An equator of the source of groundwater. False. Rainwater harvesting is converting method of converting. True. Most of the water of the earth fresh water. False. Chapter 16. Forest our lifeline. What is the topmost layer of forest? Emergent layer. What is the region of the forest contained space between the forest floor and canopy layer? Which of the layer is the top soil of it is very fertile? Which of this is true? The case of forest is the soil, water, purify air, which form the food web, several food web in the area region. Eagle lives an emergent layer of the forest floor layer of the forest dump in the warm dirt. Scavengers feed on the dead animals. A food chain always start with the plants and the carnivorous. The primary source of the energy of the food chain is the sun. Chapter 18. Wastewater story. Increasing in the growth of the microorganism water body resulting in decrease the amount of dissolving oxygen in aerated tanks. Solid waste are separated the sludge from the settlement tank from the tank. Digestion the funnel temp